Welcome back to the LPR Trading Group YouTube channel. It's Dave again. I've got module 5 here of the market profile and understanding, a little mini course that we put together. Today we're going to talk about open types. So we'll jump into the slide right here, open types. We've got an opening drive. This day open is typically for trend days. Market opens, finds direction immediately, and drives away from the opening price. Open test. This day open is my second favorite. This is when we open, we test the level above or below price, value areas, point of controls, naked point of controls. It could be, poor highs or poor lows from previous days, and we continue moving directionally off the retest. Open rejection. This is my favorite opening type day. This is when price opens and we drive to fill in the market inefficiencies at the poor highs or poor lows, and it runs for liquidity, so it takes a draw on liquidity at the on high or on low. There are other levels that you can use with this open rejection, reversal, but these are my favorite areas. So if I see an area like an on high or an on low where price has been holding, we open up, we drive through that area, fail to accept higher, and then we trade back into it. I like to start taking that trade to the opposite direction. Open auction, this day type is range, limited price movement, choppy, and usually thin volume. Stay away from these two trading days here. This open auction day is very, very difficult, and I typically try and identify it quickly and stay away from it. These open auction days typically happen on like half days or news days in the morning. If we've got maybe like a 𝗀𝗃𝗆 in the afternoon, and then you just have the morning, it just chops around, oscillates, and does really nothing until 𝗀𝗃𝗆, and then we have this large explosion. So this is the open drive here. So we've got an open drive. This is our previous session here. Previous session prints off a poor high. Market opens. We pretty much hold open price to the tick, and we just start driving to the upside. Okay, you can see better on the split profile here. We open here, we tick down for like 2 ticks, and then the market just starts driving to the upside, and we perform this very nice open drive or opening drive to the upside. Open test, okay? So this is an open test. This is a very good day type to identify and a very good trade to be had. The market opens here in A period. We drive up. B period tests what was a naked point of control. So naked point of control. It moves over the naked point of control by a few ticks. It immediately fails, and we start trading to the downside. Okay, so this open test of a previous level, in this case, the naked point of control, is a very, very good trade and a very, very good day type. We have another one here. This is the open price. That should be trekking through here. Period opens. We drive down. We test these naked point of controls again. Price holds, and we drive to the upside. If we cannot accept price below these naked point of controls here, which is a very critical area, if it cannot accept price below, build volume and start trading lower, we just expect a test of that area. What's also important that you guys learned in previous sessions is we left excess at the lows. This does not mean you have to catch a trade right at the low here. You can catch this trade. Price drives up, value area low, pull back, retest, hold, and you can look for a drive to the upside. Open rejection. Okay, so this is the on session, the overnight session here. Market opens. This is our on session low. The market drives down. We sweep the on session low. Okay, big on session area, on session low. We sweep the on session low. We cannot hold below it. We cannot trade below it. We cannot build volume below it. Market turns around and immediately starts driving back to the upside. This is one of my favorite type of trades to take and one of my favorite levels to take this trade off of. This is the open rejection trade. Open auction, here you go. So this is previous day's value area low, value area high, and we've got an open auction. So price opens, we drive up, we're trading outside of value, but we can't hold outside of value. We trade back down. We're trading below value. Can't accept or hold price below value, and we just chop around and trade within the range. These are the days that I really, really, really like to try and avoid. All right, guys, that's it for this module. I believe module 6 is the last module. We'll have that in a few days here. As always, like, comment, subscribe. If you guys enjoyed this video, I will get back to every single one of your comments in the comment section. Trade safe. Cheers.